Hello friends, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sana. So friends, today I have come to you with a new makeup video which is pink eyeshadow. I believe that women should always look pretty is until self-confidence is them. Today's makeup on my face is done with This Is Mine. You will be looking at my eyes, which are very beautiful and very well made up. If you are a woman and you feel that you are passionate about the makeup, then you must watch this video of mine. I will show you step by step makeup in this video. But before that, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget hit the bell icon